In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a free SSL certificate on GoDaddy with a step-by-step tutorial. Let's dive right in and secure your website for free. We'll start by entering your domain name. This is crucial because it tells the certification authority exactly which site you're securing. Once you've entered your domain, the next step is to input your email address. Providing your email ensures you receive important notifications and any future updates related to your SSL certificate. Now, the third step involves clicking on the HTTP link. It's typically a starting point in the process and ensures that you are accessing the necessary server connection settings. Following that, you need to click on the Accept button. This action confirms your agreement to the terms and initiates a setup for your SSL certificate. Afterward, you'll see an option to create a free SSL certificate. Go ahead and click that. It's this step that sets everything in motion to obtain the SSL you'll later install on your GoDaddy hosted site. Once the request is processed, you'll need to download a file, which will be used shortly to validate your domain ownership. Once the file is downloaded, head over to GoDaddy, click on Hosting, followed by selecting Web Hosting. This will direct you to your hosting dashboard where you can manage your domains. Click on Manage, then access your cPanel admin. This control panel is where most of the heavy lifting happens. Navigate to the section that allows DNS configuration and fill out the necessary forms with the information you've gathered so far. Then head to the file manager within your cPanel. Here you'll create a new folder named Well Known. This step is particularly crucial as it allows for the proper validation of your downloaded file. Next, create a subfolder named Acme Challenge inside the folder you just created. This is another critical step, and it's where you'll upload the verification file. To do this, click on Upload, select the file you downloaded earlier, and add it to the Acme Challenge folder. Once this is completed, return to the SSL provider and click on Verify Domain. After verifying your domain, return to your cPanel, search for SSL, and then click on SSL. In the SSL TLS Manager, click on Manage Sites to proceed with installing your SSL certificate. Select your domain, copy the content of your certificate file, and paste it into the respective field titled Certificate. You'll repeat this process for the Certificate Authority Bundle and the private key fields. Ensure each one is correctly placed in their designated sections. Finally, all that's left is to click on Install Certificate, and that's it. Congratulations, you now have a secure and encrypted website on GoDaddy with a free SSL certificate installed. Thank you for following along, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.